Hello, this video is going to show you how to use the new Citations tool in Google Docs. You can find this right at the Tools menu in a Google Doc and come down and you see the Citations tool. So it opens this sidebar over here called Citations once you click on Citations under Tools. And then you get an option to select what type of citation you want to make, MLA, APA, or Chicago. So for our example today, we're just going to use MLA. And I want to add a citation for this statement here in my timeline document. So I'm going to add a citation source. I'm going to select this plus sign. And I'm going to say my source type is a website because I went to the BlackPast website in order to find this information. And down here, it says I'm going to do author, okay, because I do have an author. If I want a corporate or organization, it'll take out that author and I can add that as the author name. So the name of this author is going to be Alyssa Franz. So I'll have Alyssa Franz listed in here. I don't have another contributor, a second author. And I have the title of the article. On the website, and then the website title is BlackPast, so I'm going to put that in here, and the publisher is blackpast.org, so I'm going to put that publisher information in there, and I'm going to take the entire URL here and paste it here, and then the published day was March 2nd, 2010. So the day is the 2nd, the month is March, and the year is 2010. And then I'm going to put today in as my access day, so October 16th, 2020. And then I'm going to say add citation source. All right, so now I have my citation source. So if I want an in-text citation, so let's say I want to put it right here before my period, I'm actually going to hover and I'm going to say cite to insert my in-text citation. And as you can see, it put it right here for my MLA format on a website. But I want to do a bibliography. So my bibliography will come at the end of my document. So I'll scroll here to the last part of the document and I'll say insert bibliography, and it inserts it right in here for me. If at any time I need to edit this or delete this citation, I can edit right here and it'll take me right back into that source. If I'm done, if I make an edit, I would just click Save Source when I'm done. If I need to come back to it, I can go to Tools, Citations, and I have it right in here. It saves. So it's like a nice little feature, and if later I'm done with it, I could always delete it out if I don't want it anymore. So that's how you use the Citations tool in Google Docs.